Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I have a new product to share with you guys that was sent to me by the Thunlit company, and Thunlit is a brand. They are a company that sells a variety of different lamps, different styles, and so they reached out to me. They saw that I was a crafter and they thought that their lamp would be perfect for me and for what I do. So I'm really excited. They asked me to check it out and I'm so excited. So this is actually the Pearl White Touch Desk Lamp. I'm really excited to try it. It is a touch desk lamp, so it does have the touch feature, and it is regular price $49.99, and it's on sale for $30.90. It is in the color white. If you guys are interested in this one, I will leave the link in my description box below, so definitely go check it out. They currently have it in stock. It is a dual color temperature, and it has a mobile holder, and it has 3 different temperature choices. So I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna see what it looks like. See if we have to assemble anything. Here we go. So this is what it looks like once you take it out of the box. Oh, it doesn't have an outlet, which means I have to charge it. Bummer. I did not know I had to charge it, but this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It has this little like stand right here. Here's the touch button. Oh, it's already charged. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. So it does have this little handle that is movable, so you can adjust it to whatever height, or you can lower it as well depending on what you're working on. But look at the lighting. Oh my goodness, I love that. So again, you can touch it and it turns different colors. It gives you a softer tone, like a softer white. Then you have the yellow tone, and then you have the bright white, and then you turn it off. Oh my goodness. So it does come with a little charging cord so that you can charge your lamp and have it ready for whenever you're ready to use it. But that's what it looks like. It has little instructions right here. You really don't need much from it. That's all you need to know. You turn it on like that, and oh my goodness, that is so cool. I'm actually going to try it out. I want to see what kind of difference it does to my video. So I'm going to turn off my studio light right now, and I'm just going to turn this one on, and we are going to do a quick crafting session. So if you guys remember, I made this beautiful marble TN using my Planner Society kit. I showed you guys how I make my planners from start to finish, and I actually sold it. I sold it to Mary, one of my subscribers, and I'm excited. I'm going to be packaging it tomorrow so that I can mail it to her on Wednesday, and I am so excited. So if you guys remember, I tried making a folder packet out of it, and I kind of messed it up. So today we are going to salvage it. So I'm going to try to save it, and that way I could still send it to her as a little thank you gift, and that she could still use it, because it really is beautiful paper. And really the only part that I messed it up from was right here. But I'm going to turn this into a whole different little type of pocket, and you guys will see how I do that. So first, let's turn off my studio lamp, then I'm going to turn on my Thunlit lamp. And again, this is the Pearl White Touch Desk Lamp. If you guys are interested, or if you guys seem to like the lighting, then all information will be linked down below in my description box. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, perfect. So my lamp is on, and I'm going to keep it on the bright white setting, which is that one right there. I think that's the best lighting for me. This is also really cool because sometimes I like to go in my room and plan, or sometimes I'm by my computer and I'm doing something. So I like that this is portable, that you can kind of just take it anywhere. So no matter where I am, as long as I keep it charged, I can turn on my lamp, and it folds and it bends for easy storage. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. So far, I love it. But let's go ahead and do this really quick. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to measure, because I need to make sure that I cut this properly. So I think I'm going to go ahead and cut it down to 3 inches. I'm just going to quickly, this is a pencil, so I'll be able to erase it. That way when Mary receives it, there won't be any marks on it. I'm just gonna take my paper trimmer and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and quickly cut, holding it down really tight, because my first mistake was to not hold it tightly, and that's pretty much what happened. So now I'm gonna grab my scissors. And the reason why it didn't cut all the way is because it is really thick. So I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to try to help it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Perfect, right? So it's gonna be a tiny, tiny little skinny folder, which will be cool because she could still use it for like receipts, for little notes, she can stick little memo pads in here, little pictures, anything that she wants to use. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go ahead and cut right at this second line. I'm gonna cut a little after it so that I have an even cut, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut again, just enough to take out my button, or maybe a little less. I might have to do a little less. I think that'll be good right there. So as long as I can mark it, I can probably do the rest. Just gonna try to follow the line that I made here. Perfect. All right. So now I'm going to take this, I'm actually going to cut off the laminated edge right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little folder flap like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and take maybe about, let's do it at 4 inches for now. Like that. And let's see. So it looks like we can actually go, it keeps flying everywhere. So it looks like we can actually go a little smaller. So I'm just gonna take this. Perfect. Right? I think that looks good. So here I have my my little tool for my button setter, and I think I'm going to use I think I'm going to use the pink one. I think this one's already open. And then I'm going to pull out my little punch right there. Should I get my little I like to round my corners for a prettier look, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is a little crooked, so I'm gonna try to straighten it out. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. And let me get my punch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. My baby girl has a volleyball game today, so I'm trying to watch her game because they do the games live since we can't attend the games physically due to COVID. So her game's gonna start in about 30 minutes. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to get everything done so I can sit down and watch her play. She was so nervous. All right. Perfect. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take this. So I'm just gonna round the front just for a pretty look. The back, I really don't need to round it because it's fine. The back will be fine. So look at how pretty it looks when it's rounded. I love that. All right, I might have to round these little edges, but let's wait on that. All right, so also what I have are these brads, and one of the ways that I like to hold my folders in place when I do these sort of little flaps, I like to use brads. I feel like they are one of the easiest ways to hold a folder in place. So as you can see, it has a little binding in the middle, so it'll give her room to make her folder chunky if she needs to add multiple things. So that'll work perfectly. So I'm just gonna kind of see where I feel that my center is. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to poke my hole enough where I feel like it's going through the paper so that I know it's marking it in place, right? So as you can see, they're right here. Loving my lamp so far, by the way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish poking. And then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna add the holes again. Perfect. I'm gonna take my little brad, I'm gonna stick it in there. And also by using the brads, it gives it a prettier look as far as like the outside goes, right? So now that we have that, we're gonna go ahead and pop it both into our holes. We got one in, we got two in, beautiful. That looks so pretty. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and open both of my flaps so that everything stays in place. Now, if I was doing this where I needed to show the brads, then I would do a double layer just so that the brads wouldn't show. But the brads are on the inside, so it doesn't look bad. It looks good, right? Perfect. I love that. So then here we're gonna add our little button. So just in case you guys don't know what a brad is, once you take a brad and you push it in, it has two little flaps. You just push them down and they hold on to your paper. So I love these, and I think I picked these up at Michael's a long time ago, and since I don't use them a lot, I still have enough. All right, we are almost done. Let's go ahead and round this corner right here, just so that Mary doesn't end up cutting herself, because it is pretty sharp. Let's go ahead and do the same thing here. All right, perfect. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness, I love my lamp. And again, you can adjust it, you can move it higher. Completely obsessed. So cute. All right, I'm actually gonna move it right here just so you guys can see it a little bit. Look at how cool that is. Anyway, I'm really excited. Okay, so here we have my little button. Then we have the piece, and we have the other one. This one's actually a heart. Let's try the heart, why not? Let's give her something really pretty. This is the inside. So I need the one that holds the outside, which is this one. Okay, now let's try this. Hopefully I don't mess up like last time. This is kind of where I screwed up, which was adding the button in place. So again, my little button setter only goes in so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my little button right here. Perfect. And I'm gonna put the heart on the top because that's what I want to show. And then this one goes right here. Press it down. Okay, everything looks good so far. This one goes in the inside, just like that. This one goes on the outside, just like that. We are almost done. Almost done. Okay, cover. There we go. And set. Oops. Perfect. Everything looks good. Okay, moment of truth. This is always the scary part. This one looks like it needs to go down a little bit more. Okay. Yay, it worked. Oh my goodness. And there you have it, you guys. That is my little folder for Mary. I'm so excited that I was able to save it for her, and now I'm gonna send it with her TN so that she can use it. I love the light. So far the lighting looks great. I'm excited to see what it looks like in the video. And again, if you guys are interested in checking out Thunlit, definitely go check them out. All the information will be in the link description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and thank you to Thunlit for sending this beautiful touch lamp to me. I really appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!